Hey third grade, this is Miss Liberty with your Seesaw activity for writing for today. So when you log into Seesaw, you are going to see a graphic that looks like this and then your directions here. So you're going to click on this first link to view today's writing lesson, and then I'm going to put the link for this video here to listen and watch today's activity. Your steps are going to be to add a response. On slide 1, you're going to move or drag the roles to student, teacher, or both in the double bubble map, and then you're going to check your work with the chart on slide 2, and then click the green check to submit when you are all finished. So I'm going to start with step number 1, which is to click Add Response. And then this is what you're going to see. So on this slide, you see a double bubble map that has the teacher in blue, the student in red, and both or the same in purple. So what you are going to do is look at each of these activities on the side and decide if each role belongs to a teacher, a student, or both. I'm going to do an example for you and show you what one of each would look like. So you don't have to start at the top and work your way down. You can go in any order that you choose. So when I look at grade writing, well, that's something that a teacher does. So I'm going to take grade writing and I'm going to move it over to teacher. Then I'm going to think about a student. What is something that a student would do? A student would participate in discussions. A student would participate in discussions to share their ideas with their classmates. Then thinking about something that we both need to do to work together might be to be respectful. So I need to be respectful to you all when sharing your ideas, and when I am sharing some tips and tricks that I have learned with you all, that you would be respectful. So after you finish filling in the teacher side, the student side, and then the same in the middle with all of these roles on the left, once there is none left on this side, you're going to click on slide number 2 and check your answers here. So make sure that before you turn it in, you have all of the teacher bubbles, the same bubbles, and the student bubbles filled in with these roles, and then check your work to see which are correct using this chart on this page from our lesson today. Let us know if you have any questions. And when you are all finished with your double bubble map, you would click the green check to turn it in. And we can't wait to look at your work.